Hey everyone, welcome to AJ Conveyancers. If you're in Australia, especially Victoria, and looking to break free from poverty in 2026, you're in the right place. With the economy rebounding from global challenges, focusing on sustainable tech and services, there are tons of low-barrier business opportunities right here. Today, I'll share the top 10 businesses that can get you started with minimal investment. These are unique, trending ideas tailored to our current scene. These are in the Victoria's booming digital hub in Melbourne. He faves eco-conscious consumers and government grants for startups. Think under AUD 5,000 to 10,000 for most. Which comes with a short description, why it's hot now, and step-by-step how to launch. Let's dive in and turn your hustle into real income. Number 1, eco-friendly cleaning services. Victoria's environmentally aware households in suburbs like Melbourne's Inner East and extending to South Australia's eco-friendly residential areas. In 2026, with rising demand for green living, you could earn AUD 50,000 plus annually part-time. First, invest AUD $501,000 in eco-supplies like vinegar-based cleaners and reusable tools from local stores. Advertise on Facebook Marketplace or Airtasker, targeting Victorian families, expanding seamlessly into South Australia suburbs. Build clients through word of mouth and offer packages like weekly eco-cleans for AUD 100 per session. No qualifications needed, just reliability. Number 2, niche online tutoring in tech skills. Tenecto teach in-demand skills like AI basics, coding, or cybersecurity via Zoom. Thrival is thriving in Victoria's tech ecosystem around hubs like Silicon Yarra. With digital education exploding post-2025, expect AUD 40 to $80 per hour. I've noticed potentially AUD 60,000 plus yearly from home. How to start. Register for an ABN, free via the ASIC website. Spend AUD 100 to 500 on a webcam and platforms like Teachable. Promote on LinkedIn or Victorian education groups to expand your professional network and influence in the education sector. Create free sample lessons on YouTube to attract students. Focus on niches like AI for small businesses to stand out in 2026's job market. Number 3, dropshipping sustainable products. Run an online store selling eco items like reusable bags or solar gadgets without holding stock. Ideal for Victoria's green push, with e-commerce booming to AUD $41 billion market by 2033. Low risk, aim for AUD 30,000 plus profit in year 1. Startup steps, choose a niche via Shopify for AUD 40 per month. Link suppliers like Overload for free. Invest AUD $200 in ads on Instagram targeting Aussies. T-Skelvin, set up in a day, track trends like Victorian solar incentives, work God, send up and scale with customer reviews. Business 4, social media management for local businesses. Handle content, ads and engagement for Australia and Victorian cafes or shops on Instagram or TikTok. Without hitting $1 billion by 2030, charge $502,000 per month per client for steady income up to AUD 70,000 per year. To launch, learn free via YouTube tutorials. Get ABN and tools like Canva free tier. Network at Melbourne events or cold email local businesses. Start with 2 to 3 clients, offering audits for AUD 100 to build portfolios in this 2026 digital surge. Number 5, pet care and walking services. Offer dog walking, sitting or grooming in pet-loving Victoria, where every tail wag builds community connections, while where urban areas like Melbourne have high pet ownership. Market growing to AUD 107 million by 2030. iHomes will earn AUD 30 to $50 per hour, scaling to AUD 50,000 plus with group walks. Steps, buy leashes and treats for AUD 100. Now, insure via pet associations for AUD or $150 per year. Advertise on local Facebook groups or apps like Paw Shake. Send photo updates to owners for trust. and expand to eco-pet products in 2026's wellness trend. Number 6. Home-based coffee roasting business. Roast and sell specialty beans online or at Victorian markets, tapping Melbourne's world-famous coffee culture. With cafes rebounding, project a 40,000 plus revenue from subscriptions in year 1. How to start? Invest AUD for 3,000 in a small roaster and beans from suppliers. Register ABN and Food Handling Cert AUD 200 course. Sell via Etsy or local farmers markets. Use social media for tasting events. Focusing on sustainable sourcing for 2026 eco buyers. Number 7. Virtual assistant services. Provide remote admin support like email management or scheduling for busy Victorian entrepreneurs. Low overhead with demand in digital tech sectors. Earn AUD 30 to $60 per hour, up to AUD 80,000 full-time. Startup. Skill up with free online courses. Get ABN and tools like Google Workspace free. List on Upwork or Victorian business forums.
Start part-time, specialise in AI tools for efficiency in 2026's remote work boom.
Number 8. Sustainable landscaping services. Design eco-gardens with native plants for homes in Victoria's green suburbs. Aligns with 2026 climate goals, potentially AUD 50,000 plus from maintenance contracts. To begin, buy basic tools for AUD 500s. Take a short TAFE course on native plants for AUD 300. Advertise via Gumtree or local councils. Offer water-saving designs, building referrals in Australia's push for biodiversity. Number 9. Fitness and wellness coaching online. Deliver virtual sessions on yoga or HIIT, targeting Victoria's health-focused population. Market growing at 8% annually, charge AUD fee for a T per session for EDASD plum. Steps. Certify via online fitness courses for AUD 500. Use Zoom and apps like Trainerize. Promote on Instagram Reels to Melburnians. Incorporate 2026 trends like mental health integration for loyal clients. Number 10. AI-powered content creation service. Use tools like GPT to generate blogs or social posts for businesses, hot in Victoria's startup scene. Low cost, scalable to AUD 50,000 plus with subscriptions. How to start? Sign up for AI platforms with free trials.
Register ABN. Pitch to local SMEs via LinkedIn. Connect with Melbourne businesses, expand your reach in Victoria. Customise with human edits for quality, riding 2026's AI adoption wave. There you have it, 10 actionable businesses to launch in Australia and Victoria this year and escape poverty. Remember, success comes from persistence, leveraging free resources like government grants from Business Victoria, and starting small. Which one will you try? Drop a comment below, subscribe for more tips, and let's build that future together.
Thanks for watching.